So, in today's video, we'll be looking at 5 products that are not only profitable, but also are very useful in your day-to-day lives. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time on this channel, please be sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification to keep up with winning products for dropshipping. That's why the 5 products that I'm going to tell you today are more of a need than a want. And to help me help you, I'll be using a tool called Pixta, which is really good to find winning products for dropshipping. If you want to know more about this tool, please be sure to check out the link in the description below. Thank you. Let's get started. Alright guys, in front of us we have Pixta, the dropshipping tool. On the far left side you can see a logo for winning products and it says winners. So you go ahead and click that. And once you do that, you will see a bunch of products. We're gonna focus on our first winning product for this one right here, which is an electric foot grinder. What this means is, I'm not sure if you know this yet. If you're too young, you probably don't have this. This kind of more focused on people who are on their feet all day or a little bit on the older side. Once you get a little older, on your feet all day, the back of your foot gets a little crusty and it's not a good feeling, it's not moisturized, and it's just very dry. To overcome that, you would have something which is a foot grinder. And this is very useful because it helps you clear your skin at a very low budget. So you could be selling this for $30 and your cost is about $1.24 with $2 shipping. So I went ahead and clicked on AliExpress. It's very simple. You go ahead and click here, see on AliExpress. It's gonna open a new tab and it's gonna take you straight to AliExpress. So I'm not sure why over here it says $1.24 because the real product cost is $4.20 USD. And then if you add $2 shipping, it comes to $6.20. So the total cost with shipping is $6.20. And Pixta has this very good feature which you can just go ahead and $6.20, and let's assume your margins are 70%. You know what, let's lower that with ads 60%. And let's see how much total sales you would have to get to make at least $1,000 a month. Not enough. Let's try $2.20. Not enough. Let's do $2.30. And we should pass. Not yet. Let's do $2.50. Alright, so you would have to sell 250 units of this electric foot grinder to be able to make $1,000 per month, which is, I don't know if it's possible, but nothing's impossible. We're going to jump to the second section of Pixta, which tells you exactly which country to target, the audience, and which links to use to be able to find the product you need. So for electric foot grinder, you can see right over here, targeting, country, USA, women, age range, and audience size. It also gives you the links, so if you want to go ahead and check it out on Amazon, right here, it's all here. Looks like it doesn't have too good of a rating on Amazon, but let's go check out the reviews quick and see what it's missing. Cheap, made, and performs poorly. Very weak power, not worth buying. Grinder, buffer. But this person said rechargeable and works well. So it does have mixed reviews. I would see if I could reach out to the supplier and be able to improve on those reviews. Let's check out a TikTok ad for this one quickly, if there is one. So it looks like there is one. Whoa, that was a horrible skin. I'm not sure if that was fake or real, but holy. It does show in the ad that it does a pretty good job at it. And honestly, I could totally see people buying this, especially in the winter time when your feet get cold and it gets very dry, which causes this to happen. But the first leg was kind of intense. You know, that was too much. So it does do well and a good job in the video. But based on the reviews, it does. I don't know if something's missing with this product. So you may want to reach out to the supplier and see if you can improve on that. It gives you the interest as well. So you're able to know exactly what type of audience to do and what type of interest to target just through using Pixta. Here are some of the reviews that they were able to import from AliExpress, and there you go. These are all the reviews. You can also use this as product images if you want to do like customer given reviews and product images. There we go. So that's it for our first winning product. It's called an electric foot grinder. Very useful. It's not seasonal. You're more likely to sell more of this product during the winter time when people's skin are actually dry and they could use it. I would still do a little more thorough detailed research because you want to make sure before you go head into a product that it works and it's proven. So you may want to order a supply. You may want to order a sample product from AliExpress and see if it really does do a good job. Hey, if you're entering the tool called Pixta, please be sure to check out the link in the description below as it helps me help you. Thank you. Here we have our second winning product. So If you have a girlfriend or a significant other who loves to do makeup, you know one thing they love is good lighting. Good lighting makes the makeup come out perfectly. I personally don't do makeup myself, but I live with someone who loves to do their makeup, and they always complain about how there is not a good lighting in this room, that room, or this person needs good lighting to do their makeup. So that's why I believe this makeup bag would be perfect for anyone who loves to do makeup with a good lighting, who doesn't have a good setup. This could also be good for someone who loves to travel and do their makeup on the go. So it comes with an LED inside the bag, and let's take a look on AliExpress what it looks like. So pretty on par. $39.50 to $39.62. Not bad. 63 units sold with 4 reviews. Doesn't seem promising, but the product itself looks pretty handy and there's a need for it. So $39. Pixta is recommending we should sell it for at least $90 with a 50% $50 margins. So let's see how much we would have to sell. So supplier cost, let's round that up to 40. And let's keep our margins 50, 55. Alright, so there we go. With a $40 AliExpress cost, with a 55% margin, hoping that you sell at least 100 units per month, you could be making $2,500 per month. This is profit. This is after your cost. That's what we're looking at. This is not revenue, this is profit. So, what kind of audiences you should be targeting? So again, US women 18 to 65, because age range is very important. Not for this product, I would say, because any girl at any age loves to do their makeup. Not a girl, sorry, any gender loves to do their makeup. So let's see on Amazon what this looks like. Wow. On Amazon, it is shipping, it's costing them $39. Keep in mind on Amazon, this seller probably ordered it in bulk. And that's why they're able to do such a low cost on this product. And it is on Amazon.com, so it is in US dollars. But look at this rating. That's what I'm here for. Not for the price, but for the rating. And it looks like it is doing really well. This product is doing really well on Amazon. It has really good reviews. It has a 4.5 reviews. And everyone seems to be pretty happy. Wish it was a bigger, super nice travel size, sturdy and functional. And this is what it looks like. I'll show you a picture. If it loads. Okay, it did not want to load, but I think you can see it here, what it looks like. Let's go back up. And they have done a pretty good job at this product. Okay, photoshopped, but that's okay. I'm looking for the mirror, and right there, that's the LED mirror. And honestly, I'm pretty impressed by this product. Let's see what else Pixta can tell us about this product. So these are your interests: Sephora, Benefit Cosmetics, Kylie Cosmetics. Let's see if there's a store that we can find that's selling it. All right, $4.99 USD. There must be a catch. How much is the shipping? Either they made a mistake here or something is up in the air. You know what? We're gonna add to bag and we're gonna try to check out, because I wanna see if they're charging a lot for shipping. Hey, if you're enjoying the video so far, please be sure to subscribe and like this video, as it helps me help you. Thank you. Here is our third winning product. I'm pretty sure this explains itself, but flat book light. If you're a reader who loves to read, especially at nighttime or before bed, because you don't want to be spending too much time watching TV, affecting your eyes, taking the blue light in, and not being able to sleep, you would love to read. And if you're a reader and you want to avoid any sort of light, this may be very beneficial to you. What it is, let me show you. Let's go on AliExpress. So it's pretty much a sheet. It's not a sheet. It's a plastic sheet that reflects light all around and makes it easy for you to read. So over 1,000 units sold, okay? Over 1,000 units sold with a 4.4 rating with shipping cost of $2. So it's net about $5.08, okay? It's gonna cost you about $5.08 and you could be selling it for $30. So $5.08, let's assume your margins are $55 and let's assume you sell at least 120 units per month, okay? To TikTok dropshipping or whatever you choose to do with marketing anyway. You'll be making about $384 per month in profit. Let's see if there's any TikTok we can find on Amazon links for this one. Book accessory, that made perfect sense. And let's see what it looks like. it kind of makes it blurry. Can I put it under the thing? Because in some images they put it under the paper. Let's go check out Amazon, okay? We gotta go check out Amazon. Give me 1 second. So flat book light, we go on Amazon and we will search this up now. Flat book light, there is one. It has pretty good reviews, 900 reviews, $16.99 for 2. And this is what I'm looking for. Very bad review, very bad, good, decent. Let's check this one out. And looks like it comes in 2 different lights, soft blue light or yellow light. And you cannot put under, it has to go over the cover. So they're selling it for $24, okay? If you can find a way to sell this for $24, you would still be making a little bit more. Okay, so that's for our 3rd winning product. So here we have our 4th product. This is a lung trainer. It helps you pretty much use your lungs more and increase the capacity of your lungs, and pretty much makes your lungs stronger. So if you're a runner or someone who just loves to run, this is a perfect product to market to them, because as you will see, the cost is very low. Let's go ahead and check it out on AliExpress what it looks like. So $1.87 for the cost and $4.27 for shipping. So this is about $6 in cost including shipping, and it comes in black and white. It's the same cost. Let's go ahead and plug that in. So $6 in cost, and then your margins will be about, let's hope, that's really high selling price for what it is. So let's say our margins is 60%, and you sell at least 100 units per month. You'll be making about $408 in profit each month. Let's make that 150. It goes up to $600 profit each month, not revenue, profit. Let's see if we can find it on TikTok and see what that looks like.
When you see how bad my addiction really was.
So a lot of vapes. Okay, then it brings to lungs. All right, there we go. Okay, I kind of want to see how it works exactly. So let's see if we can find a store that is selling it, not currently available. Let's go on Amazon and see if we can find it. Perfect, we found it. So it has 11 reviews, increases lung capacity, boost your stamina, improve your performance, adjust the resistance level, pocket size design. Let's see what the reviews I got. Product was contaminated out of box, not effective device. Breathing exercise device, decent, works easy to, yep, works well, useless, does not work. Okay, so again, with any of these dropshipping products, I would highly recommend you order a sample. You test it out in many ways. You ask your family members what they think of this product. What are the things that's missing? What are the things they love? What are the things that they can improve on this product? So go ahead and order a sample. Test it out, because you will get so much reviews from your family members and your friends before you even try this product. And that part is very important. But also, do not let them deter you, because if you truly believe you can market a product, go ahead and give it a try. Here we have our 5th and final product, which is an electric makeup brush cleaner. And I'm sure you have seen this, and if you live with a significant other who loves to do makeup, you've definitely probably have suggested this to her. You maybe already have this in the house. So let's go ahead and check out the cost and what you could sell it for. So cost on AliExpress is $14.21. Kind of pricey for the product it is. But look at this, about 100 units sold with a 4.3 rating. It's a pretty good rating for AliExpress. $14.21 is your cost. I do not like the selling price. The selling price seems very, very low for what it is, $14.20. I want to say, based on this, your margins are less than $50 with ads and everything. So $40, let's say you sell 100 units, you're making about $681. Not enough, but if you can lower your margins, if you can increase your margins by lowering the price or increasing the cost, then it'll be definitely more worth your while. You can see targeting US women 18 to 65. Let's see if we can find it on Amazon. On Amazon is being sold for $18 with free shipping to US. That is pretty cheap. Let's look at the ratings. Cleaner, would not stay on, works okay, need to scrub, very dirty brushes. Great size, works great product, leaks, unable to use. So with any product, I'm sure, with any product, I'm sure you're more likely to bump into bad reviews So use them to your advantage, learn from them, and be able to improve the product. That is for our 5th product. Let's see if we can find a store that is selling it. All right, here we go. So here's a store selling it for 39 euros. I want to be able to convert this to US dollars. Is there a conversion sign? There is no conversion sign I see on this Shopify page. All right, so we're gonna go with light. We're gonna buy one, and we're gonna add it to cart. We're not gonna claim the offer. We're gonna say no thanks, go to checkout. So in Canadian dollars, it's $39, but it said euros before. Okay, that is super interesting because it says euros, but when I go to check it out, it's in Canadian dollars. So just by looking at it, I can say this website needs work, but we will not get into that. This customer is selling it for about $39. I'm not sure if it's US, Canadian, or euros, but that's how much they're selling it for. It's much higher than what Pigstar recommended, about $10, which would definitely increase your margins to, let's say, 55. And hence why increase your profits. So it's all about margins, cost, and profits. So that is for our 5th winning product. Please be sure to check it out. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like and subscribe to my channel as it helps me help you. Thank you so much. Hope you guys have a wonderful day.